Welcome to JBWorxStudio. My name is Jörg. This channel is mainly about CNC machining using a CNC router and a CNC lathe. The routers you see here next to me, I built myself, and I have a machine building and also a college education for manufacturing and automation. So I just naturally like stuff like that, and it is my hobby. And I produce this content for the hobbyist maker that likes to venture into CNC machining and maybe, doesn't quite know how to get from A to B. So on my channel, you're going to find projects related to speeds and feeds, how to clamp material, how to make a fixture plate that you see right there, or vise, how to maintain your machine. And you will also find some advanced projects, like, for example, the tuning of the servo motor that I installed right there. At the moment, I'm working on this. This is a 3D touch probe that I have to write some macros for to use it in my CNC router. But I also made this one right here. That is Fog Buster, and I think I improved up on the original design of this. Now, if you liked so far what you are hearing, and this is the content that you are looking for, then I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. And well, if you do, then in that case, I'll catch you later. Take care. Bye.